Hello guys, welcome back to another video of Becoming a Code Expert. In this video, we are going to see the arithmetic operators program from the Python operators chapter of the Python tutorial. So let us read the question. You are given two integer variables x and y. You need to perform the following operations. The operations are addition, subtraction, multiplication, division and modulo. And the printing statement will be as PQRST. So first, we have the template of the code, that is two variables, that is x and y are taken as the input. And now the first step is to perform addition, that is x plus y. So we already have the variables, that is p is equal to x plus y. And the next one is q is for subtraction, so it is x minus y, and then we have the multiplication, that is x multiplied by y. The next one is integer division, so we have double slashes here, so it is x slash slash y, and perform modulo operation, so we have x modulus y. And now let's compile and run this code. So here the compilation is completed. Now let's submit this code. So all the test cases got passed, and I hope this video was helpful to you. If you have any doubts, ask me in the comment section, and don't forget to like this video, subscribe my channel. Thank you.